If your chest is growing, your arms are pumped, but you still look weak in clothes, it's because your back is trash. Yeah, I said it. And no one tells you this early enough. Most people walk into the gym and think chest day, arm day, mirror muscles, and their back, one half-hearted lat pull down at the end. That's why they look small. That's why their posture sucks. That's why strength feels capped. Let me show you why training your back changes everything. Your back is your frame. Wide lats equals broader shoulders. Thick upper back equals powerful look. Strong lower back equals stable lifts. You don't look big because of your chest. You look big because your back makes everything else look bigger. Ever see someone with normal arms, but they just look solid? Back gains. Deadlifts, rows, pull-ups, all start with the back. Weak back means weak bench, weak squat, weak confidence. Your back is the anchor. If it's weak, everything leaks power. That's why advanced lifters obsess over rows, because strength isn't built in the mirror. It's built pulling weight toward you. Here's the part no one talks about. Back training fixes posture, and posture changes how people see you. Chest up, shoulders back, head high, same body weight, same muscles. Completely different presence. You don't feel confident first, you stand strong, and confidence follows. Mistake number 1, too lightweight. Mistake number 2, no squeeze. Mistake number 3, rushing reps. Your back grows when you sit, pull slow, squeeze hard, control every rep. If you're swinging, your ego is training, not your back. Pull-ups or lat pull-downs, heavy rows, controlled reps, full stretch and hard squeeze. Train your back like it matters because it does. You don't need fancy exercises. You don't need more days in the gym. You need to stop skipping the work that makes everything else better. Train your back, grow your frame, build real strength. And when everyone asks why you suddenly look bigger, smile and keep pulling.